In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual order in WooCommerce. We'll go through the full process inside your WordPress dashboard, from opening the order screen to saving the finished order properly. This is especially useful when you need to place an order on behalf of a customer, record an offline sale, or quickly build an order without sending someone through the normal checkout process. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to WooCommerce, then click Orders. This area shows all of your store's existing orders, and it's where you can manage, edit, and create new ones. From the Orders page, click Add Order. This opens a new order screen where you'll begin entering the customer and product details manually. One of the first things you'll want to do here is choose the customer connected to the order. If the customer already exists in your store, simply select them from the available options. If they're new, you can enter their details manually instead. This helps ensure the order is linked correctly and keeps your records organized. Next, fill in the customer's billing and shipping information. Be careful here, since these details affect invoicing, delivery, and overall order accuracy. Billing information usually reflects the customer's payment and contact details, while shipping information is used for delivery. If both are the same, make sure they still appear correctly in the appropriate sections before moving on. After that, click Add Item and choose the products that are being ordered. This is where you build the actual contents of the order. Once the products are added, review the quantities carefully and adjust them if needed. You can also change the prices when necessary, which is helpful if you're applying a custom rate, correcting a pricing issue, or matching a special agreement made with the customer. When the products look correct, add any extra order elements such as shipping charges, taxes, additional fees, or discounts. These adjustments are important because they affect the final total. Take a moment to confirm that everything reflects what the customer should actually be charged. Before finishing, choose the correct order status. This tells WooCommerce where the order currently stands, whether it's pending, processing, completed, or another appropriate status for your workflow. Selecting the right status can also help with reporting and internal order management. Finally, save or create the order. Once you do that, the manual order will be added to your WooCommerce store and can be managed just like any other order placed through your website.